Hi, it's Doc Severson for the Ready Set Trade of the Day for Tuesday, the 22nd of December. Today's trade is on Longview Acquisition Corp., which is a SPAC or special purpose acquisition company for Butterfly Network. Let's start off with the stock price chart of LGVW, which is the Longview Acquisition. Again, this is the SPAC for Butterfly Network. Eventually, this will turn into Butterfly stock during their IPO. For now, the value is carried through the SPAC. You can see right now, as of yesterday, the price was about $14.95 per share. Again, very typical for a SPAC, where we see the formation of the company, then they announce their target intent, and usually we get a spike based on that. And then a consolidation. Range expansion goes to range contraction, then it goes back to range expansion again. Now, looking over at the trade tab for the stock, it looks like we are starting to get into the next phase of expansion. This is the pre-market. We have about an hour and a half left before the cash market opens up for trading again. You can see that the price has rallied almost $2 during the overnight session. Now, the first thing I usually look for when I'm trading a SPAC is to see whether or not they have options available, because this gives me alternatives to be able to trade this, and it gives me many more chances to be able to create a winning trade. Unfortunately, we don't have that. So either we trade the stock, or what we can also do is if we go into the ticker bar again, and if we go into LGVW/WS, we can see that they have warrants. Now, this is a fairly riskless way to get involved with this at a discount. So right now, the warrants are trading for just under $5 per warrant, and one warrant equals one share of stock. We can also chart the warrants as well too, but as you can see, the price is already broken above $5 per warrant here. I never like to chase after a breakout, so what I typically will do is look for the level of the breakout, which in this case is $4.50 a warrant. And we can go over to our trade tab and execute a buy for the warrants. And then instead of putting in $4.95, which is the current price of these, we can put in $4.50 for the limit order and make sure that this is a good till cancel order. Otherwise, the order will just expire at the end of today. And if the price doesn't dip down to $4.50, we may not be filled. Don't forget also, you have to fill in the quantity of warrants that you want to buy. I would make sure that you keep your position size below 10% of your available capital. Now, typically what I'll do for a warrant trade, if I get in here at $4.50 a warrant, I'll typically look for a double. I'll look to sell into strength as the price rips up. So in this case, if the price comes down, fills me, and then keeps on going, I will look to get 100% return on this. So I'll just set a good till cancel order for $9 per warrant in this case. All right, that is today's trade of the day. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or comments yourself. Thanks for listening. We'll see you in the next one.